Welcome to Real Channel Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Genesis' latest X concept, the third to debut since 2020, embraces the open-air culture of Southern California. The Genesis X Convertible concept has been unveiled for the 2022 Los Angeles Auto Show. The concept's sleek exterior is said to depict the automaker's athletic elegance design language in its purest form, with plenty of family resemblance, from the long hood and short deck to the gently arcing bodyline, flared wheel arches, and, of course, the trademark Genesis split lights front and rear. The front clip features a smiling Genesis crest that is outlined with LED lights. The obvious difference here is the folding roof. Because the mechanical hardtop incorporates a transparent moonroof, occupants in the X Convertible can enjoy blue skies or starry nights even when the top is up. The rear ducktail spoiler and short front and rear overhangs are inspired by the X and X Speedium Coupe concepts. Similarly, Genesis does not provide information on the EV powertrain. The interior of the four-seater is also identical to that of the previous concepts, with a wraparound cockpit for the driver and accommodations inspired by Korean roof architecture. According to Genesis, even the main interior color, Jiwa Navy, is a shade commonly seen on roof tiles. According to Genesis Chief Creative Officer Luc Donkerwolke, it is the normal development of Genesis to increase the athletic and emotional facet of our design philosophy by creating an emotional trilogy, the X family. The catalyst for becoming more engaged with the environment around us is innovation. They are in the process of transforming Genesis into a company that will provide products for customers to enjoy. The million-dollar question at this point is whether any of the X concepts will be produced. Throughout the multi-year X journey, Genesis has referred to the concepts as representing the company's future design language. To put it another way, don't expect to see a swanky Genesis convertible in dealership showrooms anytime soon. The 2022 Los Angeles Auto Show begins on November 18 and runs through November 27. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.